Number 1.
1989 Dodge D150, price $10,000. It has been driven only 50,000 miles, reflecting relatively light use for its age. Under the hood, it is powered by a 318 V8 gasoline engine equipped with fuel injection, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers dependable and consistent performance. The truck is finished in a classic gray exterior complemented by a bold red interior, creating a distinctive and timeless appearance that stands out among vintage pickups. In terms of features, this vehicle offers a combination of classic style and modern conveniences for its era. It includes a recently updated and fully functional air conditioning system, ensuring comfort even in warmer climates. Additional features such as cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks enhance ease of use, while the tilt steering wheel allows for a more personalized driving position. These key features are seamlessly integrated into the driving experience, making the truck not only visually appealing but also practical and comfortable for everyday use.
Number 2.
1992 GMC 1500, price $10,000, presented as a well-maintained, low-mileage pickup with only 75,000 original miles. It features an automatic transmission and delivers a smooth driving experience, handling the road as if it were nearly new. The truck is equipped with a strong, reliable air conditioning system, manual crank windows, and a simple, no-frills interior complemented by durable rubber floor mats. Its overall condition reflects careful ownership, with no cracks on the dashboard, no visible rust, and no leaks from the engine, transmission, or differential. Additionally, it comes with high-quality tires and all components are reported to function exactly as they should, making it a dependable and straightforward vehicle for everyday use.
Number 3.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,850. It has been driven for 213,000 miles overall, yet its engine has only covered 7,000 miles, indicating that it still delivers strong and reliable power. It is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a robust 7.4-liter gasoline engine, providing excellent towing capability and impressive overall performance. The truck features a bold red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive and eye-catching classic look. Inside, the cabin is designed for both comfort and convenience, offering cloth seats along with power locks, power windows, and a radio to enhance the driving experience. In addition to these features, the truck benefits from a newly installed suspension system, which contributes to a smoother ride and improved handling on various road conditions. Overall, this Chevrolet 3500 represents a solid choice for those seeking a powerful, stylish, and reliable classic truck with notable upgrades and enduring character.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,950, with 111,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. This 4x4 pickup stands out with its attractive blue exterior and clean gray interior, both of which have been carefully maintained over the years. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine that delivers solid performance and reliability, allowing the truck to run and drive very well without issues. The truck still wears its original paint, a strong indication of how well it has been preserved, with a consistent finish that enhances its classic appeal. Inside, the cabin remains exceptionally neat and well kept, showing minimal signs of wear and reflecting attentive ownership. The 4x4 capability adds to its versatility, making it suitable for a variety of road and terrain conditions. Previously used only for light-duty tasks such as transporting carpets, this vehicle has not been subjected to heavy workloads, which contributes to its excellent overall condition.
Number 5.
1998 GMC Sonoma, price $7,995. It has been driven for 94,000 miles, reflecting relatively low usage for its age. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine, known for its solid performance and durability. The truck features an eye-catching red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, creating a classic and timeless appearance. Inside, it offers comfortable cloth seats that provide a pleasant driving experience, along with an AM/FM cassette radio that adds a touch of nostalgic entertainment. With its four-wheel drive capability, this pickup is well suited for a variety of road conditions, whether for daily commuting, hauling light loads, or occasional off-road adventures.
Number 6.
1986 Ford F-150, price $10,000, that has been driven approximately 134,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The truck features a red exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. It runs on gasoline and comes with a 4x4 drivetrain, along with an extended cab that provides additional space and practicality. The vehicle has also been repainted and is fitted with a canopy for added versatility in carrying cargo. In terms of key features, this F-150 includes a 4x4 system, manual gearbox, extended cab configuration, and a powerful 302 V8 engine, all of which contribute to its durability and capability both on and off the road. It is equipped with a rear-mounted gas tank, dual fuel pumps, and dual fuel filters to support consistent fuel delivery. Recently, important components such as the spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap, battery, and fuel injectors have been serviced. The injectors were cleaned, with 3 of them replaced, helping maintain efficient engine performance.
Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,995, finished in a rich burgundy exterior paired with a clean gray interior. The truck presents a classic and timeless look. It has been driven 134,000 miles and is powered by a reliable LS 5.3L V8 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD configuration. This vehicle is equipped with several notable features that enhance its overall performance and longevity. It includes upgraded stainless steel brake lines, contributing to improved braking reliability and resistance to wear over time. The frame and rocker panels are reported to be solid, indicating a structurally sound body, which is especially important for a truck of this age. Additionally, it comes with an ARE color-matching cab, adding both visual appeal and practical covered storage space. The truck sits on deep-tread Michelin tires, offering strong grip and stability on the road. Inside, the cabin provides essential comforts, including a functioning radio for entertainment and an air conditioning system that blows exceptionally cold.
Number 8.
1978 Ford F-150, price $6,000, that has been driven approximately 96,000 miles. This vehicle comes with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, and features a C6 2WD setup paired with an Edelbrock Streetmaster 400 intake and a Holley 4160 carburetor, which together form part of its key features and performance setup. The truck has recently been fitted with new tires. In terms of condition, it has minor oil and transmission fluid leaks, and the engine is currently idling rough and struggles to stay running while in gear, requiring it to be shifted into neutral when stopped. The exterior is gray with black interior, and while the body is mostly rust-free and the paint is in generally good condition, there is some peeling on the roof. Inside, the interior is largely complete and intact, though a few components such as the radio and horn are not functioning.
Number 9.
1990 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,800, powered by a 7.4L 454 big block gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, with approximately 212,000 miles on the odometer. The engine has been recently refreshed and given a full tune-up, allowing it to start easily and run strong, highlighting its reliable performance. The truck features a black exterior and a brown interior, both of which remain in good condition for its age, with a clean cabin, well-kept seats and panels, minimal rust, and new tires that improve its overall usability. The vehicle drives in shifts, but it does have a transmission pan gasket leak and minor oil seepage that will need attention. The engine currently idles rough and struggles to stay stable when in gear, requiring it to be shifted into neutral at stops. Some smaller features, such as the radio and horn, may not function, while the AC system blows air but may need a recharge.
Number 10.
1993 Dodge Dakota, price $5,000. It has been driven for 191,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior that remains in near-perfect condition, showing no rips or tears. The truck runs and drives smoothly without any known issues, making it a reliable option. It is equipped with functional power windows and door locks, both of which operate properly. Additionally, the air conditioning blows cold while the heater works effectively, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The tires are also in excellent shape, being practically brand new, which adds to the vehicle's readiness for immediate use.